Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Microsoft Viva Engage notifications for a cleaner day. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Microsoft Viva Engage notifications, start by opening the app on your device. Log in to your account if prompted. Once the app is open, look for your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the Settings option from the menu. In the Settings menu, locate the Notifications section. Click on Notifications to access your notification preferences. You will see various types of notifications listed here. Review the different categories available, such as mentions, comments, and likes. To disable specific notifications, toggle off the options you don't want to receive. If you prefer to silence all notifications, look for a general toggle switch at the top. Slide that switch to the off position. After making your selections, do not forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button, usually located at the bottom of the settings page. Click the button to ensure your new notification settings take effect. Exit the Settings menu to return to the main app interface. You have now successfully disabled Microsoft Viva Engage notifications. Enjoy a cleaner and more focused day without interruptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.